Dave with Crafted here. I want to show you a little metalworking trick. I got a nice piece of good quality wire here. It was used on the 67 Airstream to tie something down. I don't really have much wire tie wire in my assortment of doodads. I'm not going to throw this away, but it's been twisted up pretty tightly. So how do we make this straight again and get it ready for reuse? There's an interesting, this kind of uses some technology that they use to straighten shafts. I'm simply going to pull on the wire, get my tools adjusted correctly. I'm going to pull on the wire, and I'm going to take a piece of metal that's got a round surface on it. This is a lady's foot. And I'm going to use this, and I'm going to pull on the wire. You can see I've still got quite a few wrinkles in it. And I'll just move this here lightly so you can see it vibrating. It's not very straight, but if I bend it slightly in all dimensions, while I pull on it, it'll straighten up. And that's the purpose of this metal shaft, is to pull it around a curvature that's tight enough that it'll bend. Now watch this. Now I'm changing the tension to change the amount of bend that I'm getting. Now it's fairly well straight. You can still see some little kinks in it, but it's quite a bit straighter than it was. Right here close to my tool I've got a kink I want to work out. Not sure it's that important. Mostly just want to get the wire in reasonable enough condition that I can coil it up and put it on a nail or a screw somewhere for the next time I need a piece of wire. And that was a pretty tough piece of wire. I couldn't straighten all those little kinks out by hand. You see how quickly I did it with just a vise, a pair of vice grips, and a round shaft. So, little trick on metalworking. Softer the metal, the better it works. So now I have a nice piece of wire. I can put in a coil and save for a later use. And it'll be relatively straight, not so kinky that I can't use it. Ta-da! Here, let's put that on a good background so it can be seen well. Hopefully that's in focus. So there you go, how to straighten out a piece of hard steel wire.